Howdy folks, today we have this Seiko on the watch workbench. It's an old dive watch and we can see the crown and stem have separated. That was easily fixed with a bit of a cleanup and rethreading the crown onto the stem. Putting it on the time grapher, we can see that it was losing about 9 to 12 seconds a day, but more importantly running at 175 degrees amplitude. For a Seiko of this vintage, we want to get that up at around the 200 mark. And we can see here that someone's obviously had some fun in there before us. So getting the watch in pieces here, and actually here we can see it's fully assembled. And I'm just testing. When I say fully assembled, the watchmaker side's fully assembled, and we can see it ticking away. I want to do that before I completely assemble the watch, and we can see the top side of the watch is all still apart. But I've put that all back together because right now I'm very happy with the results. It's still losing 10 seconds a day, but we can regulate that. But the important number is the amplitude. It's above 220 degrees. I'm happy. So much so that I finished regulating the watch, and I'll do it again 24 hours after the watch has finished ticking. So here I am just doing a water pressure test. We've got that at about 5.5 bar, which is about 55 meters below sea. And that's just kind of, I guess, simulating water pressure. Well, it is water pressure. So what we're doing here is I've pumped up the tank, dunked the watch into the tank, and if the watch did have a seal leak, the pumping up of the tank would build up pressure inside the watch case. What I'm about to do now is release the pressure, and we can see a tiny bubble forming at the very top there. That's just escaping from the bezel, and another little bubble popped up from out of the crown. That's just built up air from when the watch was dunked in there. We don't see any streams of air bubbles, therefore there's no leaks in the watch. I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. The watch is running beautifully, and it's water resistant, which is great for a vintage watch that's about 40, maybe 50 years old. And the customer will be very happy as well. And if you like this video, thanks for watching. Click subscribe, click the thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.